All right, we're about to go for a little outing with the dogs. So getting ready, putting my Aircast on, and anyone with an ankle fracture is gonna get real good with this thing. But as you can see, I've got a full length knee-high sock on, and that helps a lot. And then get that heel all the way in the back. Put that soft felt Velcro down, and then you're gonna put your plastic shin piece, Velcro it on the outside, get it where you want it. Now you can do the straps. So you're gonna Velcro the straps. Pretty snug. I like this one real snug. This one I can't do too tight or my toes start to fall asleep a little bit. But these leg ones I can do pretty tight. And then last thing is, you know, putting it on 1 and 2 on your dial. Pumping up that little side bladder till you just barely feel it. Go to the other side, number 2. Does the inside air bladder till you feel it, and then put it in lock mode. And now you're ready to go.